for most users, the journey from getting data from SAP into their Power BI is not a simple one. A lot of their time is spent on trying to figure out how they can get the data from SAP and build their reports, dashboards, and take actions on it. So let's see a typical user. This is the sequence of 9 steps he goes through, in his workday. He would come in, launch his SAP GUI. Once he's logged in, he'll pull up the report which he needs to take action on, and he'll run it with a variant usually. Once the report is available on his screen, the first thing he would be doing is to look for the download to Excel button. They love that feature, and that's the most asked for feature in most of the BI projects. And once this download to Excel is done, what they will do is pick up this data, enhance it with some of their own information. It might be coming from other systems. They might edit this data. But overall, what does happen is 2 things. Their data, might lose credibility because it can no longer be controlled who has edited the data, and then they are, still having to work through this data to take action. So once this data is available in Excel, they will take it to their Power BI or Tableau, simply because most people probably can't make sense out of just tables and rows of data and thousands of records, right? So they'll take it to Power BI, they'll visualize it, and once the visualization is done, they have identified which particular visualization gives them the best insights. They'll export it into PowerPoint, and then next step is to email this to a manager who hopefully will take action. Now, this 9-step process is something which I've seen probably 90% of the users doing every day in their work life, right? And it does 2 things. One is the data reliability is lost, simply because there's no controlled way of how the data reached from SAP up to Power BI, right? And the second one is, while they are running the report, downloading in Excel, massaging it, and then importing into Power BI and putting it in PowerPoint, your inventory, your customer, your vendor, they are waiting, right? And they're waiting for your action, and this delay causes them to not only lose their own credibility, but also valuable dollars lost in this waiting time. So let's see if we can simplify this journey for them.